Nowadays, people pay more and more attention to protect their privacy, so many Android users will lock their mobile phones through password pattern, fingerprint and so on, to prevent privacy leakage. But most of the time, we make mistakes or forget our unlock code, or children's prank causing us to unlock too many errors, our cell phone is locked. Believe that many people encounter this situation will be very upset then, once the mobile phone is locked because of PIN, password pattern, fingerprint error, what should we do? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock your Android device without password, and let's get started. Okay, if you want to unlock your Android phone easily and quickly, then this amazing tool Dr.fone Screen Unlock is for you. It does not just bypass Android pattern locks, but also works for PINs, passwords. There will be absolutely no loss of data on some of the Android device. The process is very simple with few steps. Now you will need to download this tool for free either for your Windows or for your Mac as well, and I'll put a link to this website in the description below. Once you open the software, you will be presented with all available tools, for example, recover, transfer, switch, backup and restore. Just go to the unlock section and then you're gonna be facing three options. Of course I'm gonna go with the unlock Android screen. Now you have to connect your phone using the USB cable. Now you will see that the software starts running a few processes to identify your phone, match it, verify the package file that is required, if at all, to be able to unlock it. Now depending upon the phone and the make, the software will then decide whether there would be a requirement of resetting and erasing all information, or if you can just unlock the phone without doing that. So, as I said, there are some devices that are supported for that, but if it's not supported, you're gonna have to erase it, but at least the software will tell you and guide you through that process, and you will save all the trouble that you might have to face otherwise. And for the phone, once the process is complete, the software will show you some warnings. Now read those warnings carefully and then click unlock now. Since my phone is not supported, I'm going to erase all the data to bypass the lock screen. Now follow the instructions given by the software. So, this is how you can use this tool and unlock your Android lock screen without any trouble. The Dr.fone Unlock Android is available in a 1-year subscription or lifetime license, which costs $39 and $49 respectively. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a like to this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos. So thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you soon.
To change your